I'm hearing jingle bells. Santa's coming, so ring the bell. Blue Lion, beat mania. It was one starry night on Christmas Eve, chilling in my house, lighting Christmas trees, blowing weed smoke through my chimney. One starry night on Christmas Eve, and then Santa linked me with a bag of money. He said, Blue, where you there? And make we touch in the street. He said, ho, 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 and three girl rich. One black, one brown, and the next one bleach. Him say him have whole heap of thing in all the slave for giveaway. Him have the 30 pound for busy way. Him loose in a jail. Him have some hit tune for potential kid. Cause after ya so nice him can't hear a next one yet. Him have some bleaching cream for Kartel. Cause 2 years gone and Chano. He must be blocking out the jail cell. Him woulda buy new eye for alkaline, but him a tattoo that too. It woulda be a waste of time, so him bring food for feet. I'm a leech him like him have hunger pain I need to eat. He know every day popcorn clean, so him buy broom tight soap and mop for him. Whole heap of people Santa fi go check. Him have cheese fi go with the bun where Vegas get. Him bring gifts for everyone except Lord Evil. Going up on the naughty list, him power with too much bad people. One starry night on Christmas Eve, chilling in my house lighting Christmas trees, blowing weed smoke through my chimney. Me Santa and the girl them a do road. Only for gift left for him deliver. Him have the restraining order for Aishana. So after all the beating she get from Footer, she finally get the type of hit from him she did want. Him have a no identity for gauge, cause him an alkaline one like them don't know who them is. Them want be world boss and a bleach like him. It's just too bad them don't have good lyrics like his. And Santa now go give them that. Him say him give that early Christmas gift to Gully Bop, and dance all people have to thank him for that. Cause if it wasn't for that madman, then Sting would have flop.